So there's 1 month to go for your 12th standard board exams. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Or you wondering how to impress the board examiner? What to do during board exam preparation, and most importantly, what not to do during board exam preparation? Well, watch these time-tested tips that will ensure 100% success in your exams. So let's start with what you should not do. Do not change your textbook source at this stage. Stick to your existing notes with which you have studied throughout the year. Do not go to the exam center without solving at least last 5-year board papers. Do not miss writing at least 5 mock exams in the exact exam environment. Time yourself, sit in a silent zone, write on board answer sheets, and get it assessed by your mentors. Do not underestimate the power of neat presentation. That means neat handwriting, spacing all your answers well, right formats, especially in papers like maths and accounts, knowing how to write the working notes and calculations, use of the right vocabulary in papers, especially theory papers, and avoid overwriting at all costs. Do not attempt extra questions and waste time. Instead, spend enough time on existing answers and check and recheck them well. Do not let social media overconsume you. Restrict or limit your screen time as you go along. Now let's talk about what are the things to do. So study a mix of 2 or 3 subjects daily. Take a combination of theory and practical subjects. Give equal attention to all papers. Well, they are of the same marks. Practice writing in each paper so that you do not blank out. Know your moderator well. You should know all the points he is looking for in your answer. Do not leave any part of your syllabus unattended, and ensure that you take small 10-minute regular breaks between intervals. We also have some last-minute advice for you to take care in these papers. Hear it very carefully. In mathematics, ensure that you make a list of all your formula for handy recap. Remember to show detailed steps in each working, since every step carries vital marks. In accounting, make a list of all your pro forma journal entries and adjustments to revise before the exam. Be 100% thorough with the formats to use for each question. Avoid crowding your main answer with rough work and calculations. The ink matters. Ensure that all the total figures are not left in pencil. You must ensure that you put the figures in pen. For economics and OC, master the objectives very well. Use the right vocabulary in your answers. Underline all key points and draw the examiner's attention. Draw neat graphs, diagrams, flowcharts wherever you can. Add a visual appeal to your paper. Write answers in neat points or bullets, allowing the examiner to navigate your paper smoothly. We wish you the very best, students. Stay calm, stay composed. This is your first milestone to a stunning career in commerce that will unfold soon.